In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove backgrounds inside of Photopea, which is a free editing software similar to Photoshop. So here I've got a picture of Captain America, and you'll see there's a yellow background back there. Now, what you don't want to do is click on the eraser tool and then make the brush nice and big and then just start erasing. So it's going to say rasterize the object. I'll say yes. And now when I start erasing, I'm chopping off heads. I'm taking care of shields. This is not what I want. So instead, you want to go over here to the left and hold down the eraser tool. So with my mouse, I've clicked it and I've held it down. And now I want to go to background eraser. Now from background eraser, you've got a few different options. And I'm going to show you how you can kind of screw this up. So what a lot of people do is they leave it on continuous and then they start clicking and you'll see, oh great, the yellow's removing. This is exactly what I wanted. And then as they scroll over, they go, oh no, the red is disappearing. The blue is disappearing. That's not what I want. I just wanted to remove the yellow. So what you want to do is instead of continuous, you want to change this to once, which means whatever I click on, that's the color it's going to try to remove. So I'm going to click on just the yellow. And now as I hold down, it's only removing the yellow. Even when I hover right over the red, it's not removing the red because I'm holding down the mouse key and it's only reading the yellow. So here now I've done a good job of just removing only the yellow inside of the Captain America picture. If you have one color like I do with the yellow, there's an easy way you can do this, which is the Magic Eraser tool as well. When you click on Magic Eraser and you go over to the image, if you just click on what you'd like to remove, just a one click, it'll remove everything inside that shape. So you can see here the yellow is one shape in between the legs. When I click on it, it just simply removes it all the way up to the other borders. Now what about this piece in here? Well, because it's open, I can just click it and it will remove all of it. So very easily now I've removed the yellow. So don't forget about this Magic Eraser. That's an easy way to do this. Now if you have shaded colors, sometimes when you click on it, it won't remove all of it. So you'll see here on the red, it didn't remove all the red. And the reason for that is because I've got the tolerance set to 40. If you change the tolerance to a very high number, like 90 out of 100, and you click inside the boot, it will remove more of the boot. If I click on 100, for example, and I go in, it'll remove pretty much everything that is even close to being that color. So if you want to remove the red, you'll see there on the shield, it removed the red and it removed the brown because it's very close in color to the red. But if I change the tolerance down very low and I click on the red, it will not remove the brown. In fact, it won't even remove all the red because the tolerance is so low, it's being very picky, and if the color is even slightly different, it won't remove it. So you want to play around with this tolerance. Typically 40 is the default so that when you click on a color, it will think, okay, I'm going to remove everything close to that color. That's a sliding scale. Hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. I like using Photopea. It is free, and you can do all sorts of things in Photopea like this. Check out this video. Thanks a lot for watching.